This is the rockish shore of Troon. It's interesting because here we have vast numbers of small mussels trying to develop here. Occasional areas are free of sediment, but some areas they've become completely choked. So the amount of silt that's coming down from the rivers, particularly from the Garnock and from the Irvine, the tides are on occasions washing it this direction. So these young mussels that have settled down here are trying to filter feed. They're finding it just about impossible. What's interesting, this is an area that's devoid of any fully grown mature mussels. There are a few small ones here. But obviously it's very much a marginal habitat for them. The amount of silt coming down, and that's variable depending on the rainfall and the wind tide directions, is what's determining whether they can survive here. And from the look of them, a large number have just been choked by the sediment. So the non-filter feeders, like the limpets, are doing fine. Surprisingly, the barnacles aren't doing too badly. It doesn't really look as though the mussels are going to establish themselves here.